Alright, let's get right into it. I see a bunch of stocks to look over. My hair's like sticking up in the back. I gotta go get a haircut. Alright, hold on. So, I'm honestly upset. Yesterday, literally at market close, I was like, you know what? I might just buy 1,000 shares of AMTD and just swing this thing. This thing just went up like $4 or $5, 6, 7, $8 or whatever it was. I was like, I might just buy a little bit and swing them. I was like, I just want 1,000 shares. If it falls down, I'll lose a little bit, but if it keeps going up, I'll make a couple hundred. It went up $10 a share, and I actually would have bought them, but when I saw it, it was at five. It was at the peak of $5 down, and it was not trading anymore. No, that would have been a nice gain. That would have been a nice gain. Obviously, could have gone opposite from it, but well, there it is. AMTD, number one stock to watch today. 14.4 is a high. All right, 14.4 is a high. Ouch. Good morning, all. Just had the best PM session, pre-market session in this year. Dang, what did you trade? I think you traded. I saw it on the Discord. You traded Reb, right? Oh, you know what? Let me. $4.3 thousand. We haven't even started the day, and you're already up 4.3. We haven't even started our day, and you're already up 4.3. Okay, so AMTD. Dang, yeah, good job, good job. Good morning, everybody that's in here. Venkat, I saw it. Mersa, good morning. Ape Trades is in here. Yeah, I saw HKD yesterday. Rafiki, good morning. The only one I saw your list, Rafiki, but also check out Reb just in case. Reb, we have that double top on the daily at 9, so if we break 9, we might get that $10, double digits, right? So we might do that on Reb. So keep Reb on watch. Dang, you traded everything. OST. OST was your main winner. All right, so AMTD, number one stock on watch for me. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Isaiah, good morning. Welcome in. Spout 5 pound Fisher outdoors. Good morning. Hey, man, we gotta go fishing sometime, man. We gotta go fishing, catch some 5 pounders. Then we got Hamster K. Good morning. AMTD skyrocketing. Yep. Yeah, there's been a lot of movers. So today I'm gonna sit here tight. I don't know if I'll end the stream or not, but I will be watching the market all day long today. Not necessarily sitting here, but have alerts everywhere, pop in here every once in a while because I have literally missed the action every single day. Yesterday I had stuff to do. Today I don't think so. But it was annoying, you know. I was sitting at the bank and I'm looking on my phone and REV hits $6, and then 5 minutes later I check my phone, REV $7. 5 minutes later, check my phone, REV halted $8. 5 minutes later, check my phone, REV 990. I'm like, what? What is happening? This stock just moved like $5 without me. Couldn't trade it at all. Could not trade it at all. So hopefully we get something at least today going, and I can capitalize on it, right? I'm trying to step up a little bit, trying to take bigger share size, trying to get out of my comfort zone a little bit that I've been stuck at for a long time. So I think it's time that I try. I'll try to go slowly, or when I see the plays that I think I see them, play them aggressive. Even now, AMTD looks like it's about the healthiest pullback you could think of. All right, so going over the gappers, we got 10 minutes. AMTD, obviously, number one. KRKR, let's see what this one looks like. On the daily, we're moving through the 200 moving average right now, so that's a good thing. We have a high of $14. It's been a while. We have a double top at 137, which we've already gone through. That's where we stopped last night. Yesterday. Yep, I see that. So we're at 233 right now. I see clear resistance at 220. Looks like we already got through that. Next is 233. That's exactly where we stopped at this double top right here. So after that could be 269 maybe. 269. After that, 314 maybe. Aside from half dollars, whole dollar psychological numbers. So that is going to be KR. On KR, obviously I want to get through 250 first, but we got some strong resistances at some of these levels, 269 and 314. On AMTD, honestly I want to too. I'm so upset I actually legit did not buy last night because I legit told myself, I was like, you know what? I feel like I just want to swing some of this AMTD. I also don't know why AMTD finally started rallying now when it was literally the same thing that HKD was, but HKD has been rallying for like the last 3 days and AMTD didn't do anything, right? It's the same stock. Or not the same stock, but the same company, right? Or they're like related or something. Urban Trade already made some. Preston on YouTube. Good morning, Preston. You made 60 on KR already. Okay, good job. Yeah, honestly, this pullback here on AMTD looks good. Looks good. I don't know if we have another leg of strong momentum today because if we do, this stock could just go 20 bucks. If we're trading the way we have been in the last couple days, anything is possible today. So we got AMTD. I went over AMTD. We got KR. I went over that one. We got iLag, which also popped up. iLag is that dead cap bounce that we were able to trade. Kept pulling back down, hitting new low, and now it's back up. And let me see exactly where it's sitting at. So looking at the daily, this is going to remind me of VRAX, a dead cat bounce, right? So on here we're up to 315, which is past all of this. Okay, so next resistance would be this 335 pivot, and then after that we got room all the way to 441. So it doesn't look bad. So iLag, we got room, a little bit of room. It's a dead cat bounce. It's not my favorite plays, but I was stubborn yesterday with VRAX. I was like, I do not like dead cat bounces. I do not like VRAX. I don't want to trade VRAX. And VRAX halts up, goes up $2, $3, $4, $5. I don't even know how well it did after that, but I was just like, you know what? No. And then I was like, you know what? Yes. Yeah, I went from $7 to $13 ish. I mean, it started almost $7 to 13. That's $5 a share. I was kind of right on that guess. So iLag, I'll keep it on watch. You know, we got 441 level there. Jofi, you're in it. HKD at 592. For real, we all should have just bought one share just for the fun of it. Just for the fun of it. It would have been my biggest dollar per share gain ever. So the ILAC's chart doesn't look the best, but we got some room if it starts opening up. OST, I think Andres said was his biggest winner of pre-market. So let's look at OST. Also looks like a dead cat bounce. Yep, I guess this is the new momentum strategy now. So another dead cat bounce. We got through 274, which is all of this already. And that right there is 247. This right here is 270. So the next resistance would be 292. And I guess at that point we're going to be looking at $3. And then after that, I mean kind of in here-ish, 350. So I'll just say 350s. I'll keep an eye on 350s. So there's that OST. You said MAIA is moving. AMTD is madness. That was crazy. MAIA, yeah, MAIA. I know I have it up here somewhere. MAIA. AAIM. Okay, so this is the one that never broke a high. And this is still a recent IPO, and we never broke that 9.7. We got up to 9.50, 9.65, and then pre-market 9.31, but we never got that 9.70. And this is the one that I was saying, 9.70, probably 10 bucks, right? And probably an extra 30 cents on your play if you get in before that through 9.70 all the way up to 10. I think it's possible. So I'm gonna keep this one on watch as well. I'm running out of spaces on this thing. I'm running out of things to look for. I guess I'm just gonna put an alert on this one over that pre-high. It's right there. Not the pre-high. Putting alert under $9 on that one. Which one have I not looked at? FFIE also had a nice little move. Kind of another dead cat bounce, honestly. We traded this one a while ago. Not a while ago. Recently. We had very nice opening, and now it's doing the same thing that kind of like RDBX and REV have done, right? Look at this chart. Pulls up all the way down, and then it's trying to pop up, right? Look at REV. Pulls up all the way down, consolidates, and then boom, right? Rips. Right? This is the same thing RDBX has been doing. It's the same thing all of these other little stocks have been doing. If I can find RDBX in here. There it is, RDBX. Look, pops up, pulls down, consolidates, boom. Pops up, pulls down, consolidates, rips. And that's exactly what FFIE is trying to do, maybe. So new high of pre-market is 3. This is a very high, like, I mean, it's pulled back a lot. It's way under VWAP. So this stock might not give us a play today, but now it's definitely one to keep watching. So putting alert over VWAP. I'm just going to get 10 shares of AMTD for fun. Do it, man. Do it. It's sold off. I mean, oh, it already turned back around a little bit. I mean, it's down $4 off its highs. That's okay. Am I missing anything? BGRY is another gapper. There's a lot of gappers, man. I like having a lot of gappers, but a lot of the times I feel like a lot of gappers distracts a lot of people, and then everybody's not watching the same thing and not trading the same thing. So a lot of times it feels like everything's so diversified and everything seems weaker. You guys know what I'm saying? Or at least that's what I think I've noticed over the years when you have a day like today where you have so many gappers. And then don't forget about Rev today too. So Rev is also a stock to keep on watch. Oh my god, I feel like there's a lot. Full port AMTD. Dude, you might become rich. You might make a nice little chunk of money today. Did anybody keep trading yesterday as well? How much time we got? We got a minute left. Holy crap. Never mind. Wait, time to focus. So, stocks to keep on watch. REV. AMTD first. REV. AMTD. We gotta just start recovering some of these pivots here. Maybe consolidate 12, 13. Take a new high of 14. That's the play on that one. REV. Revlon. Break of 990 is a high. Double top on the daily. We are looking for $10. We got, I already have Rev twice on here. Okay, we got iLag. iLag has room a little bit. It's a kind of a dead cat bounce as well. KR looking for that 250 after break of pre-market high of 233. OST kind of pulling back. I'm gonna put MAIA then in here. But we gotta keep alerts on everything. Put alerts everywhere, guys. Make sure you know exactly when things are going to start ripping. So putting alerts is gonna help you with that. And then QRTB is another possibility from yesterday, so putting an alert on that one as well. Same thing with TXMD, also putting alerts on this one. Alright, I guess we can look at AMTD and see what this thing wants to do at open. Watching AMTD and watching Rev pretty close. Watching AMTD and Rev pretty close. There's a lot of stocks, guys, so I'm watching everything on the side charts being focused. Looks like our pivot to break on AMTD is at 1147 right there, 1150. AMTD already wants to run. APDN halted. What is that? AMTD already wants to run. This is crazy. What is APDN? APDN is on my halt scanner. AMTD wants to do a flush through this level 1150, so be careful there. Yep, now the 5 minute is not looking pretty. KR already hit a high. Looking at KR. Watching 870 bounce for AMTD. It's already pulled back pretty much a lot. There goes iLag a little bit. I tried KR, took a $30 loss. We broke highs, wanted to hold a little bit. So, but now looking at iLag, and I am definitely going to be watching APDN on the resumption. So, gonna watch APDN. iLag here broke through VWAP. This is probably one of the stocks that I least expected to be running right now and making a nice move, but we'll see if this wants to hold. I want to see if we get a quick little VWAP bounce here. We had a big flush on AMTD and a big flush on KR, so we got to be a little careful here. I've gotten these VWAP bounces a lot recently, and your price is a lot lower. Man, that thing might turn around anyway, so I do want to watch APDN. So what time did APDN halt? At 8:31, and it's 8:34. Oh, AMTD halted down too, so That explains why HKD was halted. As far as APDN, let me look at the daily on this thing. 200 moving average at 287. Okay. Good morning, Jesperanza. VREX halted. QRTV halted. To the top side or downside? A top side on QRTV. I do have an alert on that one, a little higher. And then VREX, you said also halted. I do want to watch APDN though. I want to watch APDN at resumption, see if we can have a nice opening and take out this high of 1.8 and then hopefully $2 after that. Now this one does have a 200 moving average at 286, so we got room. This chart looks pretty on the bigger time frame. So halt at 31.49, so should on halt at 36.49. So we got about 50 seconds until APDN unhalts. Nice pivot at 150 maybe. Watching APDN, maybe we get a nice little break of high days here. Should be unhalting here in about 10-20 seconds. APDN, gonna try to, wow. Looks like sellers want to take control of today. Looks like sellers want to take control of today. This is crazy. We got like 3 or 4 halts down today already. We've gotten several halts down already. Looking at KR now. So I took a $50 loss on that one. I jumped in big but didn't spike up. Looking at KR. Watch this curl back up on KR. I don't know what else wants to move now. We've gotten a halt down on HKD, on AMTD. Looking at KR. I lag as well, climbing back up through VWAP. I see it. KR has a nice pivot here at this 227, but it looks like we already want to take a new high. I'm going to add here for the break of high, see if we get it. Stop moving my mouse like that. I hate when this thing does this. Watching KR, still holding 5,000 shares. See if we get the breakthrough high of days here. We had a very nice curl back up, so I was pretty confident. Looks like I'm going to take a big loss on this one, but still holding through this pullback. See if we still crawl back up. I'm going to stop out. Bigger loss on that one. That's okay. I don't know how we did not break a high there. There goes Reb. KR, I'm gonna keep it on watch. If we curl back up to that level, and I had that pivot there of 225-ish, 225-ish, and we closed above it, we pulled down to it, held it, and we could not get higher than that. So watching Reb, I'm looking to buy dip KR. Okay. ILAG never held VWAP. Reb looks like it's wanting to go. Reb has that $10 mark that we're trying to 990. So AMTD resumed, went lower. What was the other stock that we were watching? I bought some AMTD yesterday after market close 430 average. Just woke up and saw my position, bro. I love my life. That's what I wanted to do, man. Good job. Good job. Good job. You nailed it. Good job, Ensure. KR does not want to give out, so I'm gonna watch that one carefully again. KR back up to this trying to this high again. If I get another chance, I will jump in it again. It is kind of forming a little pennant. Yeah, good dip by there, Sniper Chase, good job. Rev is still trying, but it's not moving fast. It's breaking 9 and it's kind of making 2 or 3 green candles right above it. KR feels heavy though. Rev again, I do see Rev. That's my alert that just shot up as well. I'm still watching KR. It felt heavy, but we're holding that low down there. Oh, I was about to sell at that peak. Watching Reb, AMTD, what a letdown. I wanted AMTD to do something. KR, we've had a lot of selling pressure and this stock does not want to go down. So I want to see if this one wants to open up. Plus, I don't know that I see anything else really moving. ILEC could not hold VWAP again. Reb, I guess Reb is trying at that 990 up there. Wants to get up to 990. Break of 10 is what we're looking for on Reb. APDN. Oh, APDN again. APDN trying to halt up here to the top side again. Are you serious? How the heck did that happen? I'm down already big today. I just want to see if APDN wants to rip through this. APDN does not want to open up to a new high, and it's right there. Rev closing at 950. I see it. KR pulled back down, man. After having so much volume recently, everything is looking heavy today. Now it wants to halt again. No, it cannot halt. Look at that. Now it's halted. Now it's halted. Oh my gosh. I don't know what's happening. I'm down like $1,500 today. I don't know if I'm putting too much stress on myself or what. FFIE, looking at FFIE and Rev. And Rev is still kind of holding up here. APDN, man, how did I bought the top and I sold the bottom, didn't hold through that move, and then it comes back up and halts to the top side. So Ansur also took a trade on FFIE. I see it. This day is disappointing. Yesterday I'm in that halt. Filled on KRKR again at 201. Okay. I had that little pennant on CC halted at it. No, it's not halted. Wait, is this halted? No, this is not halted. APDN is one to watch after this halt resumption. KR 241, I do see that. It would be the high. You already have your limit order in? APDN halted at 846. 846 and it's 849, 3 minutes. So 2 more minutes. Forty-six, so 51 should unhalt. Oh, it halted at 1-1. Dang, so many halts nowadays. So we're getting momentum back in the market now. I'm currently double dipping on KRK at 201. The first entry was a nice one. Let's see how this time it holds. I'm not cutting it very fast. It is a bull flag on FFIE. FFIE does have a high still. FFIE of $3. And we're looking to break this pivot here and take us there. That's the next resistance. But I do want to watch APDN. APDN, if we open up nice, we can probably go up to $2. Which should be live any 10 seconds now. Should have been live already. 46 to 50. No, 51, 30. Okay, never mind. 30 seconds now. 30 seconds now. 40 seconds. FFIE, did you get on that bottom of that flag? MRSA? It's curling back up. Alright, well, now we should be live on APDN pretty soon. I do see FFIE curling back up, so that looks like a good play there. Reb also curling back up out of that flag. FFIE is making a nice move. There's that nice bull flag, right? Good job, MRSA. So is Reb. Here goes APDN live. Trying to go up to $2 maybe. I'm gonna look at FFIE. I don't like that opening on this one. Bro, you have to be kidding me, man. And then here goes Reb, break of 990. Bro, I'm just getting destroyed here. What is happening? Every trade that I've taken has been red. I've gone burned left and right today. I'm down like 2 grand probably. Of course, the one time I decided to start scaling up, every trade that I take is red. Every single trade that I take is red. Uber. Wild Boys calling that Uber. And this is the one that I wanted to get in here with like 10,000 shares. Kazoo is also live now. Rev with that nice curl back up, but bro, I cannot today. I cannot. I've lost my mind today, guys. I've just lost my mind today. I'm down huge. Well, not huge, but I see AMTD, but that stock is too volatile and is too low for me to trade it there. Another loss here. Holy fucking shit, man. Literally everything that I bought today just fucking dumped on me. I just traded this BWAF bounce on KRKR. It's not that I don't have a bad hand, it's just I'm tired of being stuck like this. Like, I've made the same $500 every single day for like 2 years and I cannot scale up. Every time I scale up, something stupid like this happens and then I can't. So then I just play catch up and then I stay stuck for months and I never have these green days like every other trader does. I just cannot scale up. That's what I keep telling myself, crypto, and that's what I was so like happy being going slow every single day and just being consistent, making a little bit of money. And even in this bear market, I'm seeing day traders trading the same stocks that I'm trading and making 10, 12, 15, 30, 40, 50 times as much as me. I know, and that's the thing, and that's the thing. I can make $1,000 a day, but when the last time I made $3,000 in one day has not been any time this year. I don't think I've made $3,000 at all this whole year in one day. I cannot scale up. It's like whenever I make 1,000, I'm like, okay, I'm good up. I'm gonna keep it. I walk away, and then when I'm red, it's always my reds are always way bigger. And then look at this stock, man, the one that I wanted 10K shares on. And then look at Kizio, Sizu, or whatever this stock is. Also halting up again, man. Bro, get the fuck out of my chat. I hate that thing. Jofi, patience. In a month or few months, you will be scaling up and earning so much. Well, that's what I've told myself for the last year and a half. Thanks for being so supportive, guys. I understand I'm being hard on myself right now, but it's just, I mean, like, yeah, I'm a good trader, but I'm not making like six figures easily, right? Or not even six figures. I didn't make six figures last year, and this year I'm not on track to make six figures, and not even like I don't know. Now the all of these stocks are flying. I think Rev is gonna break a new high. I think Rev will get through $10. Good trade, sniper trades. 10:01 entry, instant 20 cents of profit there. Bro, this is insane. Anyone trading HKD? I think one of us over here on Tradecaster is holding one share. 1040, holy crap. Wait, so Zach, you're in on APDN? Anybody in on APDN? Oh my god, you guys are killing it. You're in with 2,000 shares and Zach has been in since 165. That's $1 a share. And Sewer is in on APDN since 190. And I had 5,000 shares here and I wanted 10,000 shares somewhere through this move. One 187, 400 shares. There we go. Did anybody watch Sizu as well? It unhalted and it's still going higher. This one unhalted here at 117. It's still another 35. At 135 it hit. Rev is holding this 1050. Reb is holding this 1150 pretty tight. How long does it hold 1150 for? Gosh dang. Reb does look like it wants to re-hold 1150 and make another nice little pop squeeze. Let's see what Reb does. Does Reb have the strength to make another move through here? Well, I had a perfect dip by there, so did y'all see that nasty flush? How is it not halted on the downside? Send me your address. I'll send you a donut. You're done for the day. Good job, Ensure. That AMTD swing was awesome, man. Congratulations, man. Good job. Good job. Good job, Ensure. You earned it. How the heck did that not halt, and how the heck is it holding $10 almost? Jeez, man. I'm just scanning through my stocks and it's just Sega. Oh, because of the whole monkeypox thing again. This one never broke that 150. Maybe we'll try it again, but y'all think this is another flag over on Zoo? Did I like keep moving up? Oh no, you bet the low and I like that's right. I have a trend line here and it seems like it tucked right below it, under it, so that's why I just cut it out. $50 loss on that one. Yeah, it seemed like it was getting to the backside of it. Now it's halted on the downside. Are you serious? I like the trend. I just don't like the volume in Sizu. Well, now it's halted on the downside. You're still on APDN? Zach, did you take profits on APDN? Oh, today is Tuesday. No wonder I'm having a red day. No wonder. There is APDN live. No wonder I'm having a terrible day. Today is Tuesday. Tuesdays are my worst day ever. And today can testify to that. Like literally all time ever. All time ever. Tuesdays I'm red. Ever. This is all time. Mondays 30K. Wednesdays 15. Thursdays 17. Fridays 20K. Tuesdays -6. That means without today it was -3. QRTB, so some of you guys mentioned it today. It actually came up for a new high. You just got out of APDN. You had a good day today, right, Andres? You must have had a good day. You were already up 4.3 coming out of pre-market. Do I do options? Very rarely. I don't trade options every day like I do with stocks. KRKR, the one that initially started all of this. You've got to be freaking kidding me. Like, I literally bought and flushed down 10 cents instantly. Oh my god. Like, I clicked the buy button, and as I was filling, as I literally finished filling, it dumped. Incredible timing today. Incredible time on everything that I did today. I got too excited for pre-market and got destroyed at open. Okay. Hey, but you got it back on APDN, I think. You got it back on Shit, yeah, that's when I make money, right? I just don't understand, man. It's just one of those day swans. You'll bounce back. Hopefully. I don't think I've had a single good day in a while. How has made you cry, bro? Can this people get out of my chat? I don't want no porn messages on this thing. Yeah, I might do that. Yeah, I did. I tried. Oh, I did it the first time. I reported and banned. And now I'll put him on timeout. I don't know. I think it's just different ones. I think when you get one, all those people that have those bots probably like pick up on where the other bots are posting, and so they all come in and spam yours just because the other ones did that too. I think that's what happens. AMTD is holding that $8 down there. KR getting stuck with VWAP. It's days like this where you. Do I look defeated? Do I look like I've just gotten smacked, tossed around, stepped on, punched in the face, sucker punched? What else do I look like, guys? GOVX, VRAC. What is VRX high now? Oh, still $29. Dang. This is yesterday's high right here. This 1374. So it might try to use 1374 as a pivot now, and then try to make its way back up to that high of day. Sending hugs. Probably should called it. I'm trading super small share size now. I'm not risking anything big. I don't know. I don't know if I just got too excited today with scaling up. I don't know if I just rushed in because I was too excited and took bad trades. I don't know if I just honestly got burned by bad trades. Like the second I bought, instant dips. Instant dips. We've all had these days. Oh, Jesse, why do I look so sad? Because a freaking tsunami came by and along with a tornado and freaking. Hey, why are you taking screenshots of? Am I really that low on the camera? Where's my OBS? I like sitting back. Now it looks like y'all are like creeping down on me. Honey's tacos, beer, and boobs for real. I think another thing that really messed me up is I really wanted to buy AMTD yesterday at $5. I just wanted to buy AMTD at $5. You got that Cholulin, bro. This is how I play games, and this is how I trade. Well, sometimes when I'm trading and watching a stock like rip through levels, I do sit up and forward, but Most of the times I lay back like this. Is APDN halted on the way up again? Look, APDN is halted on the way up again. Look at APDN, guys. Juan, do you have a max loss for the day or max number of failed trades? No, I don't. Because usually I don't take that many red trades in a row. Or usually I don't. Ouch, at least D-Dog holding well. Yeah, I'm still holding my D-Dog call. Um, and I've never done that. Like, if I see a good setup, I trade it, right? If I see a good setup, I'll trade it. Maybe if I'm already up on the day, I take a smaller share size. It's okay, bro. You win some and you lose some. I look, guys. I understand that. I understand trading. You're gonna lose, right? I understand you're gonna. Like, I'm not saying you guys are wrong. What I'm saying is, I cannot scale up, and I'm getting frustrated. I've tried scaling up, and I just cannot do it. Like, I'm going backwards. Last year, I was averaging 1,000. I was up probably by now, like, I don't know how much I would. I wouldn't even be able to take a guess, but I just cannot scale up. And then I watch these other guys who've been trading for the same amount of time as me or a little bit more, and they're destroying the market. Like, yeah, I don't compare myself. I get it. Let me see. VRAX engulfing candle. That's yesterday's high still. I hope nobody was caught up in that rev flush though. That was a nasty flush. I hope nobody was caught in this. I was caught in it with 500, but I stopped out pretty fast, somewhere around 1029. Don't feel bad, Juan. Most people don't get to quit their job. You're the best dude, really helping me out with momentum strategy. Argent trader here. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. And that's another thing, you know? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Like, I really am trying to be a nice guy, right? I'm just gonna say this because I want to scale up, but I'm not comfortable yet, so I stay small size for now until then, and that's what I've been doing. Anyways, what I was saying is, my course is done. I basically have the bank done, and I should be able to put it out now if I wanted to, but it's like, I just almost feel bad if I'm over here making $500 a day to put out a course and teach people and then have a $3,000 loss, right? As opposed to all these other guys who are making 5, 10, 12, $15,000 a day that obviously are way more experienced and stuff. And yeah, you get people out there that are scammers. I get it, but I don't want to come across that way. Positive vibes, my guy. But I think you have a strategy. You just said you really have a strategy. You just said you really don't. You don't go in with certain sizes and then some risk reward. You don't have a certain limit to call it quits. Most people do 2 to 3 bad trades. They're done for the day. That way they lose 300 on the day, and that's it. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I get it. I get it. MAIA trying to recover. All right, I got to toughen up. I'm not quitting this shit. Obviously, it's a bad day, and I'm in my feels, but I got no option now. I got to make it. No more poutiness. I'm done. You look soft. Toughen up, my boy. I just said it's time to toughen up. I'm done. What's the most you've been down? I lost 12K once. But here's the thing. When I lost $12,000, the next days I was like it was a hot market and I was trading good, right? I was trading good. And so I lost $12,000, but the next day I made like 3 or 4. The next day after that I made like another 3 or 4. The next day after that I made like 2 or 3. So within like 3 days I was down only like 5 or $4,000, and then the next week I recovered all of that. And right now, like I lose $3,000 and I haven't had, let's see, I don't care anymore. Calendar. July. Only 1 day over 1,000. 1 day over 1,000. July. June. 1 day over 1,000 barely. But look at this. One, two, 3 red days over 1,000. May. A day, $2,000 loss. No $1,000 day. I think the last one I had was in March. March was one of my better months this year. A $2,000 trade. That might be my last 2,000, my latest $2,000 trade I've had in March. That's a while ago. And I didn't even trade this week, and this week was like almost $8,000. I mean, this month. And 2 days off here. And this is an 8K month. I just need to step up on the big days and capitalize, which is what I cannot do. But I'm going to do it now. So today, what else is moving? GOVX. I trade on TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade. TD Ameritrade. This platform that you're seeing is Thinkorswim, which is TD Ameritrade's platform. You just open up an account and then I honestly don't know what the minimum is. I think there used to be a minimum, but I don't know that TD Ameritrade has a minimum anymore. I really think you could just open the account without depositing money and you have free access to the platform. I think. I'm not sure on that. Don't quote me on that, but I think that's how it works now. I don't think they have a minimum deposit. And if they do have a minimum deposit, I'm sure it's less than 500. It's probably like 100, 200 or something like that. Maybe 300. I am not sure. Oh, yeah, if you're in I'm talking about the US. Sorry, sorry. Good good call there. L Elvenar, good call there. Good call there. BBBY. Bed Bath and Beyond. That looked like a good breakout there, but 650 is your next target on Bed Bath and Beyond. It'll hit 650 maybe. Miss Sniper trades. Taco Tuesday today, then some beer tacos and stuff. Is that what I'm getting for dinner tonight? Yeah. Get some tacos or margaritas or something. I don't even know what time she's gonna be home today, but this sucks, man. Now, time to go back and study everything. Time to go back and rewatch me live. Rewatch myself trade live. It actually does help, and I've been doing that recently. Actually, recently I've been studying a lot more too. I literally have sat here every day looking back at every single stock that we traded this morning, and I just look back over them and say, okay, this could have been a nice play here, could play here, but everything is so much better in hindsight 2020, right? I wish I could have beer and tacos, but I'll just get it back out because I'm sick. You got COVID? You got COVID or you got the monkeypox? Desperance's got monkeypox. Look, he said yes. No, I don't think so. I think he's got COVID. I think he said he had COVID. Oh, you have them both? Are you lying? You don't have both. That sucks, man. No, just go ahead. Oh my god. I'm sure COVID still sucks though, so hopefully you recover fast. John was another guy that comes in here and trades with us, and I think he also has COVID too. He sent me a DM on Instagram, or he replied and he said he still wasn't feeling good. So just Bronson, yeah, props to you for trading because he's not trading. But I mean, he might have worse conditions, or just doesn't feel like it, or doesn't want to risk it. VRX could not get over that pivot from yesterday. You bought 10 shares at $10. What time.com live in the market? 15 minutes before market open. I'm always live 15 minutes before market open. Moho. Moho. Previous high of 59. 200 moving average at 31. That's exactly where we're stalling out right now. Did this have news? Yeah, no problem, no problem. See you tomorrow. I'll probably still trade. I'll probably still trade. Just take it slow, but I'll probably still trade. We are consolidating right at that 200 moving average on the daily, so I wonder if we're going to look at that exactly right there, 31, 31.85. Watching Moho see if it wants to pop up real quick back up to the high of day. Has a very strong flat top at that 3402. Cyber trades for sure. When it comes to trading, you do it lifestyle, financial freedom, and freedom to come and go as you please. Whenever I take a loss, I trade like my business something. You take a business loss, people can get it in the way. For running, you just gotta cut your loss and move on to a cowboy stick and a load of waffle fries. That sounds amazing. Are you trading AMD later? AMD? Why AMD? Does it have earnings? I don't really trade earnings if that's why you're asking. Austin trades. Hey Zach, what platform do you trade on? Hey, there's John. We were just talking about you, John. I was just talking about you. Literally, I literally was like 2 minutes ago. So do you use the level 2 from Thinkorswim or you use the level 2 from another platform? I know she knows. Yeah, I was just telling them because I think Jesperanza, or I don't think Jesperanza has COVID as well, and I was telling them that you have COVID as well and that you weren't trading. AMTD running. It's still under VWAP, but if that stock gets going, it could rip again, right? You're in on AMTD at 767. Dang, you got a nice dip by down there. Holy crap, you nailed the bottom, Zach. Was it a starter or was it a good sized position? Still watching PGY. This is incredible, man. It's just incredible. Today was honestly incredible. If I would have done the opposite of myself, you would have had a 100% accuracy. Oh my god, man. I gotta stop. Guys, I'm sorry I'm gonna end today's stream early, but I just gotta call it. I have to turn this thing off and not look at it again. I'll probably still stream tomorrow so you guys can chat in here and talk and stuff, but I'm probably just gonna downsize a lot or play dip plays only, not breakouts. I don't know, just figure something out. So, like I said, guys, I am open with you all the time, and here's my loss for today. So, With that being said, guys, I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you guys for coming in here. Thanks for all the support, and yeah, hopefully we can do a 180 off of this because this is not fun. So y'all have a good one. If you guys are still trading, you can trade on my. See y'all tomorrow. Take care, hon. Yeah, appreciate it. If you guys are still trading, you can hang out in here. I think even though I'm done streaming, you guys can still chat on the Tradecaster chat. Oh, sorry, but if not, you guys can chat on my Discord either. So whichever one you want. I just have to call it today. With that being said, I'll see you guys tomorrow, and y'all have a good one.